Coach Delta, after last game, where only 5 players really contributed and made themselves felt offensively, how did you ensure that tonight everyone would make their presence felt offensively, lalo na po dun sa tatlong bagong kapampangan nyo?
So, nag-remind ko po sila kanina na everyone na coming from the bench need to step up. Every time na mag-pull out ako from the bench, they need to step up, they need to contribute. Yun po yung mga bilin namin kanina. Good thing naman po, halos most of them nag-contribute po.
Thank you so much, Coach Delta. Now, one on to you as a team. You guys shot almost 50% from the field, also secured 64 rebounds. But looking ahead, how else would you want to see your team grow and develop even more?
Yeah, as you said, I think it all boils down to preparation. I feel like our team really did a good job. Throughout the game, we had a couple of lapses, especially in our defensive schemes. So I think that's one thing we need to work on coming into a Saturday's game. So yeah.
Thank you, Juan. At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Bob, si Larry Muyang nag-start ngayong solid debut. Ano po masasabi niyo sa performance ngayon ni Larry Muyang, and gaano po kalaking bagay siya sa kampanya niyo, lalo kayo lumaki?
Yes, talagang sa Bigs, hindi kulang pa rin po talaga kami. So, factor na rin po na madagdag sila rin mo yan ngayon. Same time, yung rest ng mga dalawang bigs namin, yung dalawang Justin, medyo napaganda yung rest nila. Good po. Na napagbigyan tayo na makalaro na po sila rin ngayon.
Follow up lang yung with your lineup now, nakasama na sila Larry, do you feel like parang mas lumalim kayo nyo, but better chance of going deep sa playoffs?
Medyo lumalim lang po yung bench, pero still, puro young players po yung hawak ko eh. Iba pa rin po yung experience na nakatapan ka ng mga big team, syempre yung mga experience nila, iba pa rin po talaga yun. So, at least po medyo nagkaroon ako ng mga option naman na yung rush po ng mga bata nagkakaroon ng quality time po ba. Hindi ganong pagod itong mga first 5, then nag-contribute po ngayon yung mga sa bench namin.
Second triple-double in the first 3 games in the PBA. Last game against TNT, the result wasn't in your favor. What was your learnings from that game and coming to this game to bounce back?
Yeah, pretty much we just had to stay on the same page. So we said we came from a tough loss against TNT, and I think our mindset coming towards this game is pretty much just to bring a lot of energy and effort, and I feel like that's what we did as a whole, collectively as a team. We had more firepower off the bench, we had 3 new players, and yeah, I'm just happy we came home with a double.
Tanong mo ba, coming into this game, kahit na po anong natin terra firma, medyo hindi kasing tapos lalaki nyo. Ano po ang biggest worry nyo going to this game?
Going to this game po? Yung magkumpiyansa po yung mga players namin. Kasi sabi ko nga ako, ang terra firma, may mga authority, lahat sila they have authority to score. Kaya ang hirap pa rin kong bantayan. Kasi nakita nyo how close yung first half natin. So talagang yung 1, 2, 3 to 4 stay home on defense talaga. No help muna, sabi ko. Kasi we never know kung sinong pupukol, sinong i-score. Yun yung talagang worry ko po sa kanila. So nung first quarter nakita niyo naman close talaga. So hilo rin kami kung sino, ang daming umiscore. So at least po na-overcome naman namin ng second half po yun.
Okay po, thank you po. Thank you po, Ben. Thank you po, GD.
Dali ko na po ito, no? Nainom ko
Sige
na
po.
po.
Sa inyo po yan. Sa inyo po yan.
Sa amin po ba yan?
Yes po.
One kunin mo, sayang.
One sa inyo.